Now Wednesday, on top of As E Dey Hot, that Ogbonge politics discussion show, when they carry all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring, drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk up the way the team be you for body. And you dey on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia Max, UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable nationwide, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabuel, I stay concerned on politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, and that wonderful and beautiful Wednesday morning now don't carry coming our way. And then the program now as it is hot, just as we always talk that Ogbonge program where they informate. There is sunshine with different political activities that they happen for Abuja, Nigeria. Today we'll not go different because we'll get a very important matter we want to talk about today. And we'll also get one strong guest, when I mean Ogbonge guest, where they for us, we will also do it. We will also help break down the matter as they try to run. And we may not bear in mind, so we go through our phone lines open for our viewers who watch us for Go TV channel 98 and then terrestrial, that is free to air channel 57. And also if they watch us online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. When that time reach for us to come, make now come, also contribute on top of the matter. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi. And this now As E Dey Hot.
Sharp, we go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. In a human rights lawyer, that is to say, any issue when they affect human being, even if he don't know the address, he go just ask, say, where the thing they happen, he go carry waka go there. Begin the quote constitution to back his own argument. He named a Barrister Justice Uhuegbu. Barrister Justice Uhuegbu, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Well, good morning, my people. I greet you this morning.
Barrister, the way you start, you start like gentle.
No, you start like gentle.
You start like gentle because I don't say if you, by the time when you start, Nkubi,
no, he's the man of the people. He speaks for the people.
Well, not be like that. The only thing we say, the situation for Nigeria, I know they verse. Me, I just they laugh every time. Okay. You remember when the former vice president say he won't contest president. Waiting your oga, that's article. Waiting your oga talk say I just they laugh.
I just they laugh.
So me I just they laugh.
Oga, Justice, we get one tradition here because this is your laugh where they laugh. By the time we enter into the main issue, make it not be say you just a frown for us by the time we go finish. We get one tradition. That tradition we say we always shake the hands of our guests. So once we start to ask questions where they strong. Make no be say
no wahala.
So Barrister, we don't go waste time. We will go straight into the one we don't carry come today. Today on top of As E Dey Hot, we don't call this our topic. Wetin judiciary they do serve. Everybody knows say we get 3 organs or arms of government. That is to say, 3 strong pillars for government when they suppose they work pari passu. That is hand in hand to use ensure say the work of government they go without any stress. The executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. 3 of them get the work when they suppose do. 1 suppose they make laws. That's the legislature. The executive suppose they implement or carry out the law when the legislature don't make, and the judiciary go do wetin, go do everything when they their power to use say they interpret the law. We go this quick break, come back. When we go the break, come back. We go drop the topic, begin the fire down on top of As E Dey Hot. No go anywhere. We dey come back. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Barrister Justice Uhuegbu, they inside studio. And today we dey discuss wetin judiciary they do serve. And 3 important action when they happen inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Now we carry come they look am from the angle of wetin our judiciary, that is the courts them, and our lawyers them, and the judges them they do. Number 1, the allegation of forgery when we say the executive don't carry knack for the head of the Senate President, the Deputy Senate President, the immediate past clerk of the National Assembly, and also in deputy, based on say the standing rule of the Senate, they carry pencil, change some kind things inside to allow for some other kind of arrangement to enter. We will also discuss the sack of the Abia state governor when they talk say the tax receipt when he carry come, it be like saying pay everything on the same day. How that one take happen? Finally, the EEFCC versus Ayo Fayose case and the freezing or no freezing. Our Ogbonge lawyer go join mouth based on the experience as lawyer and person when sabi law to discuss all the issue. Barrister Justice, no waste time. We'll go straight into this one. You get one thing when we see for inside Nigeria, when we say for a very long time, we never see him. In fact, I don't think say we don't see him for our history. The Senate President, Dr. Bukola Saraki, in deputy, Ike Ekweremadu, the immediate past clerk of the National Assembly, and in deputy, they carry waka enter inside court. Based on say, they talk say the standing rule of the Senate, then forge am. Now people come and they ask say, for if we check the way when they operate for the legislature, it gets certain things when we say if it happen inside legislature, now legislature them go settle am based on the way when they settle am. But other people come talk say forgery na serious case, and the Attorney General of the Federation he gets the right to carry them go court. I won't ask. Monkey hand they inside this particular soup of pot when they see so abi na pomo. How you go answer that?
When wetin happen be say if I tell you say I go answer am direct na lie. Especially remember say I be lawyer. For lawyers we know they answer question direct. And I won't make I tell you something. You get something where they talk say a lawyer can never be wrong. A lawyer is either right or left. You understand? So but the issue there now be saying Moku look am this way. If actually say wetin they talk happen, you don't even talk am before. Now, wetin would they call internal matter?
Okay.
Nobody since that time where they talk this thing for the floor of the House in the Senate as a member don't come raise a motion or move a motion say see wetin I find out
okay,
and see wetin happen. Moku look chook eye into that thing wey happen. Of course you know the Senate go set up a committee to investigate whether the allegation where somebody raised there now true or not.
Very true.
But you see, when things begin happen like this, you now begin ask question, wetin dey happen? Now the Attorney General from there, in as much as we agree, like me as a lawyer, agree say our law as it is today, we say nobody is above the law.
True.
If anybody don't commit any offense or purported offense, the police has right to investigate. But in this matter now, let's tell ourselves the truth. We never even hear say police don't investigate the matter. We never even hear say police don't invite Saraki or Ike Kuremadu. Say see allegation of forgery where they levy against you. Come tell us, Moku know wetin happen. But before that self, even if they report them to police, before that self, now the House suppose investigate that matter, find out whether na true or not. If they not feel say na true, now the House, the House authority, now them suppose even invite police. Because the AJF, who is Attorney General for the nation, is an executive member.
True.
He's on his own.
True.
How you go now leave your office, come the chook eye for wetin dey happen for Senate?
Yes.
More could tell ourselves the truth. I don't know where this country they go. Because if we continue this way, you know why we must talk? We say, for my area, they say, if you see chicken, where they use in leg, they scatter shit, pursue them. Because you don't know who go eat the leg. Because that same chicken, if you go sell them for market, now you go buy them. And you see the day where they scatter shit, you know pursue them. It didn't say it don't concern you. It concern all of us. So, Ojukwu wrote a book because I'm involved. What in that one mean? We say all of us, we are Nigerians. So Moku look at it very, very well. Say, this thing where they happen now, is they proper to be happening like this or not? You see, when you want to do certain things, do them in a way, say nobody go begin suspect, say you did this side or you did this side.
True.
All of us for this country today, we suppose say, Moku fight corruption.
True.
Because in a problem where we get for how many years today. But make I tell you something. I've been telling everybody for this country, say, the major problem where we get for Nigeria, no be corruption, no. Corruption there everywhere. There's no country where you don't go see corruption. But our own major problem for this country now, what I call impunity.
That is to say, people they behave anyhow.
People they behave anyhow.
They don't respect the law.
They don't respect the law. Say nothing go happen. And actually nothing go happen. You know, I begin to see waiting the right for animal farm. Where animal farm talk say all animals are they equal. But some they equal past others.
Yes.
But these people forget say we know they for the time of animal farm.
Very true.
Again, we are human beings. We are not animals. So if we look at it this way, all these things where they happen now, okay, I don't know how to start. Because all these things, as far as I dey concerned, are distraction.
That is, they commot eye for the work when they're supposed to. They use this one, they carry us, our attention.
Make you look at now. When already, as he stands now, the Senate President, the first allegation of CCT.
Yeah.
Me, I don't get any wahala because me still believe, say, Bible say, the soul that sin, make you do what? Make you die.
Yes,
I know, it don't concern me. Like, I dey tell people every time, EEFCC no fit arrest me. DSSS no fit arrest me. I never chop Nigerian money.
Somehow. No?
I never.
At all.
I never serve in any government,
No, no matter. No believe that.
Your friends, they feel like someone that Nkubi now, when they say, before election, you know, they wear suit. After election, they wear suit, they wear cap. Naija Delta cap.
Once this man start to talk, just
You know, she say not bring your voice down because no, say you can't say no,
if they talk through.
If I also talk, say you, for instance, say somehow you get some.
You for defend yourself. See, as you defend yourself.
I talk. I don't know anybody. Let them go investigate me.
I don't know anybody.
We should not know anybody.
I know they
I'm not related to anybody.
If you want, I will give you my office address. Give you everything about it. Go and investigate me.
Okay, Barrister, make we bring her from this angle. You talk, say, you bring in the issue of impunity. And then going by the fact, say, okay, the issue of under this administration, we don't see some, what now we call some changes, the fight against corruption. And then if somehow, for the House of Senate, maybe within the House, say, okay, maybe then they shut their eye to this particular matter will happen. Maybe because of say them be the one. Maybe somehow, it comes now from the outsiders. Let's say the executive, they can't do it, they can't uncover this thing. Say notice say somehow, all this something that have to play out, we make them they take the action themselves, rather than them to leave them for the house, make them shit and protect themselves.
Make I tell you something. We all get family. If you look for something for your house, you go first of all raise alarm for your house.
Very true.
Before you begin accuse person where they are.
Your neighbor.
They say, na rat, where they inside house, tell the one where they outside, say fish they for basket. Make I tell you one thing. This thing where they happen now, just the beginning. Me, it get some things where I dey see. You know why? If no do, everything come they play as they go. The standing rule, they say they forge them. Abi? Remember, now the same standing rule, they use appoint the same minister where they carry them go court.
Very true.
Now the same standing rule where they use approve our budget, where would they spend it today?
Very true.
Now the same standing rule where they use approve so many things where the executive they do today. They never think that
direction
side though. Let me tell you, when you pursue somebody, be careful. Because when you pursue and you get to where you go pursue and reach, you go turn back. You go now see say that pursue where they pursue now you.
The thing they affect.
You understand?
Nkubi, you hear that?
No, I don't hear
Continue pursuing people. Continue pursuing people.
Help me one.
No, you like to pursue now. You say both. You dey pursue.
Let her ask.
Selling things in traffic, pursue people.
And again, you know, what will be my problem for this country? I say, when people get appointment, the way they carry and go, too much. As the president of Nigeria, you're no longer president of your place.
Thank you.
You are president of everybody.
Thank you.
As a minister of Nigeria, you are not minister of one particular place or the person who appoint you. You're minister of what?
Everybody.
Nigeria.
Very true.
I go one office one day, one commissioner of police. The PA come they talk to me. I say, my friend, this place is a public office. Without people like us, they don't go pay you because they pay our tax. Now that tax then they use pay you now.
Very true.
Now our office we can enter there anytime. Now wetin Oyibo they call to live above board. The problem where we get for Nigeria, where I don't they talk things for person where get here, make him do what? Here. Until we begin live party and follow wetin the law talk and know wetin the people want, we no go anywhere. If you look country like America or Britain, okay, see as we dey talk now, a whole United Kingdom, their citizens don't vote say they no one belong to EU again. True. That one fit happen for Nigeria.
He never can.
The ogas, you know, see the body language. Why you say, I don't know this way they talk, whether not true. Why be say, when I go see the truth, when I go one cover them? What be say, it depends. It depends on what? Well, listen, my brother, it not depend anything. We could tell ourselves the truth. Now, country where they listen to the poor people, where they listen to the people where they call the masses now me and you. Country exists because of what? The masses.
Yes. Very true.
When you are a president, a governor, a chairman, you are to serve the masses and not for the masses to serve you. Yeah. That's one now the difference between our country and other Oyibo country. When they enter power, they go say, now we go serve you, no you go serve us. Very true. And that's so it's supposed to be. So that when you serve them come out, people go say, Oga, well done, no, you don't do well. True. For serving us. But for Nigeria, na different thing.
Barrister, make we place this issue like this now. Wetin they say happen for inside House of Senate don't happen. And this present House of Senate, when we say, now from wetin they say happen inside that book, take happen, so they don't carry out some kind of work. Make we come place this thing side by side now. What is going to be the implication if they come out at the end of the day? Maybe our court now come and talk say, okay, oh, this thing when the Attorney General of the Federation and the executive carry knack for their neck, now true. All other work when we say they don't already can do with that same standing rule, what thing go happen?
You know, sir, I don't talk am before. Say before you start fight, make you think where that fight fit end. I know say. The problem where Nigerians they get, or some people they get, be say, they go rush into fight. They no go know where that fight go end. Because where your own stop now, where another person own fit start.
Yes.
If you look at this matter very well, you ask yourself, no be police supposed to do investigation. By our law, every criminal offense, na police and security agents, law enforcement agents, and then they bring them come court. True. How the AJF come maneuver, take over the whole thing? Now, question where everybody supposed to they ask now. I don't know whether you
I understand what they understand.
So, Moku will look at it very well. You see, like you ask one question. If at the end, they now find out, say, this is where they talk, not true, where this country go?
That means we go there for
1 year, don't go. We never achieve any. Go outside there and see Nigerians. They suffer. They cry every day. We never know direction where we go.
Nkubi, that's for you.
We know that to fight corruption, they're good. We support them. Even we, when they here, before now, if you watch my programs and everything, what they do, I am one of the people where they talk since, say, Mock will even make corruption a capital offense. What I mean by capital offense be say, if you're caught for that corruption, the punishment where they go give you now debt. Now, what thing they do for Dubai? What thing they do for China and some places where the thing work? You understand?
People come begin to fear.
But the thing be say, no matter how low the thing go look like, you must follow what they call rule of law.
That is to say the law pass everybody.
Everybody. Equality before the law. What thing they happen now? Well, when we come to that.
No, but wait, make I ask this final question before we move on. If we talk, say, equality before the law, everybody is equal before the law. Why it be say our Senate president and the deputy Senate president and the immediate former clerk and the deputy, then different from who forge WAEC certificates or who forge results. If forgery na forgery, as they don't go court, go clear their name.
If they don't get confirmation,
exactly.
Forgery.
Shall not be saying at the same process when we say big. For example, me, I know be big man. Nkubi na big man. We know say na big man. Me, I know be big man. The case when them put against Senate president.
Make they accept them by faith now.
No,
I don't mind for my mind. I don't know it. I don't accept.
Okay. Barrister Uhuegbu, if Nkubi people now, when we say like Senate president, them they are set. They talk, say they forge, they carry them go court. Me when be ordinary Nigerian, when they speak for Nigerians, so yeah, they carry me go court. What will be the difference if you talk, say, rule of law, and all of us they equal before the law?
You know what I go talk? Make I make this thing clear. you they go for yourself. Moku bring them back for the same Senate. You remember when they bring budget? You know, you don't forget that one. Where they say somebody will be special advisor to the president on National Assembly matter. Go remove the original one. Bring another one. That one not be crime.
Na crime. Na bad thing. Very
But,
bad thing.
but for the same house, they later come out talk say nothing like that happened.
No, they don't talk say nothing like that happened. The house agreed that they see two documents, but they don't collect the one where be the original. The question there be say, who can take that one?
They just allow it to go like family matter.
You understand? So, you know, they talk about issue of WAEC certificate now. You see, that one go tell you, say, we still dey practice wetin animal farm talk. Say some animal dey equal pass others. No be you see for this country, for Osun State, where they sentence somebody to 14 years imprisonment for stealing goats.
Even there is a case of other cases where they...
And other cases, when somebody stole 100 and something million, the pension man, and he go court to tell him make he pay fine, enter motor, waka. No be the same Nigeria.
Na same Nigeria.
Na him be why people come dey ask say, which means in Nigeria now, na two laws dey exist.
Law for big man.
One for big man.
Law for big man when they under broom. And the one when they for poor people, when be like say they under umbrella. It's clear. You have said it. Nkubi, over to you. Hey, which one? Hey, they laugh like they don't change. Now African magic trick they do here.
No, see, you don't do it.
They do.
Please.
Which kind of laugh be that one?
Please.
Address issue you there, they do. Now village meeting you there.
You don't do it.
What you don't do me?
Don't do it.
See barrister, they fire you with this thing.
Fire
you
you
get
to
anything to talk.
May I ask my question?
You and your friends,
May I ask my question?
big people.
Make I ask my question. Okay, this is it. We understand, say yes, just as you don't talk, say okay, laws differ from laws. Even if they say they get a particular central law, everybody suppose they subject to. Okay, but then, people will say, maybe also bring up from this same Senate President and this deputy will say, somehow, black states don't they also fall victim to somehow that same law where they did against the people, because this time around this law no favor them as government officials. Okay, waiting with this experience they don't get. Waiting be that next step where they also feel take, because now them they be the makers of the law. We go if you ensure say proper implementation of the law. Now then they make the law. Proper implementation of the law, they effective. Because now then they go put this way, go make sure say yes, this law they properly implemented. If they not do it, if they not ensure say this thing, if they not give a strong backup, you know go do it, you know go get that implementation. What if that's what they fit to ensure say yes, this law we must see the bottom, must see the end, we must see the implementation.
You know what thing that happen for Nigeria now? They switch me. Ask me why.
Why?
Fela say democracy na democracy. Don't they see him? And Fela say na party government. We don't they see him. If this house now they serious, you get one thing I want make them do. And which people like us, where they fight for the people, don't they talk sense?
Okay.
Somebody like me. And waiting be that. That thing where they call immunity clause, where cover the security, make them remove am. Remember,
Strong talk.
When Clinton was president of America, Clinton was facing query for sex scandal. Can it happen in Nigeria?
But is it not happening now?
It is
No. This one no be
our Oga president they caught because of his certificate.
That one na civil matter.
Okay.
E get difference between what they call civil matter and criminal matter.
Okay.
Make I tell you the implication of criminal matter. If you remember the day Senate President and the deputy and other went to court, they were granted bail.
On self-recognition.
Not only the Senate President where they give bail on self-recognition. Now the same thing where they talk about equality.
Okay.
In the system, yes.
The Senate President, they hire. Pass the deputy. But they be same human beings for Nigeria. Where the same law suppose cover.
Yeah, exactly.
The Oyibo man talk say, wetin dey good for the goose, also dey good for the gander.
Very true.
Why court go give Senate President self-recognition, then come give Ike Ekwuemadu and others bail condition?
And maybe because of say they elect now, why do this?
They no elect Ike Ekwuemadu. Why they talk? You know, they this country.
Maybe they are the leading person with the.
Now he use his power and become deputy president. Wetin would they talk be say? Make I tell you, as you dey now and as I dey, the same thing wey apply to me suppose apply to you.
Very true.
The constitution, 1999 constitution as amended, simplicity, said that nobody should be deprived of his rights.
Right, yes.
Irrespective of his gender or circumstances of what? Birth. That's why at times if you come to some communities in Nigeria, they go tell you, say, woman no they get property. Say, if woman marry, he don't commot. You know, go get property for your house, especially for Igbo land. Now lie. The law talks say, you can never deprive that person
of your right.
Of his right. Because say, he be woman.
Okay, barrister, the issue of say the private person of your right because of saying you be woman or this thing, we go enter deep into this matter because we got other ones. But right about now, make we do it. Make we go for this quick break, and when we come back, the matter continues, and we'll open our phone lines. They come.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.